Lesson 10-8, Example 2. Our objective is learning to find volumes of cylinders. So here we have a question. Allie has a cylinder-shaped pencil holder with a 3-inch diameter and a height of 5 inches. Scott has a cylinder-shaped pencil holder with 4-inch diameter and a height of 6 inches. Estimate the volume of each cylinder to the nearest cubic inch. Well, I think I'm going to start by drawing a picture of these cylinders here. So here is, let's say this is Allie's cylinder right here, and has a 3-inch diameter. That's that distance across the circle there, across that base, and that is 3 inches diameter. And it has a height of 5 inches. Now Scott, he has a cylinder also, and it has a 4-inch diameter and a height of 6 inches. So drawing out a picture is, I think, always helpful. At least it's helpful for me, and hopefully it'll be helpful for you. And now I can use this information to determine the volume of each of these. So volume, base, times the height. And again, the base in this case, since it's a circle, is the area of a circle, which is pi times radius squared. And then I'm multiplying that times the height, which gives me the volume of the cylinder. So in this case, for Allie's, I have volume is, I'm going to use 3 1400ths for pi. The radius, well, I have a diameter of 3, so that radius is half of it, which is 1 5/10, all squared, and a height of 5. So the volume, 3 1400ths, 1 5/10 times 1 5/10 is 2 2500ths, all times 5. So 3 1400ths times 2 2500ths times 5 is 11 2500ths. So 3 1400ths times 11 2500ths, 35 325 thousandths. And it's asking me to round to the nearest cubic inch, which is about 35 then. So our volume is about 35 cubic inches. So Allie's pencil holder is about 35 cubic inches. Well, let's find out Scott's pencil holder here. I'm going to use the same I'm going to use that same formula that I did up here. So I'm going to use these numbers to put in for that. So volume is 3 1400ths for pi. The radius, I'm given a diameter. So the radius is half of that, which is 2 squared, and our height is 6. So 3 1400ths, 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, times 6. So I have 3 1400ths, and 4 times 6 is 24. 24 times 3 1400ths is 75 36 hundredths. And I'm going to round that off to the nearest cubic inch, which is about then 75 cubic inches. So Scott's pencil holder is about 75 cubic inches.